Doogee has announced the Blade 20 series, and one of the devices in the series is called the Doogee Blade 20 Ultra. So in this video, we'll explore the top features of the Blade 20 Ultra. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So right off the bat, the rugged credentials of the Blade 20 Ultra are clear with IP68 and IP69K compliance and military grade standard A10H certification. The device is 15.8mm thick and it weighs 326 grams, which are typical compromises for such robust protection. The phone comes in obsidian silver and obsidian red colorways that offers a touch of personalization to its utilitarian design. The display setup of the Blade 20 Ultra is quite interesting. It has a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS 90Hz display on the front that provides a reasonably large canvas for everyday tasks. A unique addition is the 1.54-inch customizable rear display, which could be very useful for quick access to notifications, time, or other glanceable information without needing to fully wake the main screen. Under the hood, the Unisoc T7250 octa-core processor paired with a generous 8GB of RAM and a massive 512GB of ROM suggests capable performance for typical smartphone tasks, multitasking, and storing a vast amount of data, apps, and media. The inclusion of Android 14 is a significant plus. Even though it's not the latest version of Android, it's still capable of offering the latest features, security updates, and improved performance from the get-go. The device features a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture, while the front-facing camera is 8MP, which is fairly standard for a rugged phone and should be sufficient for video calls and casual self-portraits. Battery life is a major highlight with a colossal 10,300 mAh battery. The phone also supports 18 watts fast charging, which is a welcoming feature to top up such a large battery in a reasonable time frame.